Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I hope you all are doing well, and as you can see from the title, we are gonna see how you can make $10,000 using a wonderful strategy which is cash secured put. And then I also wanted to discuss how the market is doing right now and where it is heading. So first part we are going to discuss about the market trend, and then in the second part we are going to discuss how you can make $10,000 using cash secured put. So if you are interested in all that, then please stick around. We are going to discuss all about it. And guys, if you have not subscribed yet, then please do so. I make a lot of videos around options. If you have anything related to options or in general investing, you are sure gonna benefit out of this. Okay guys, so I'm in my computer screen, and this is a yearly chart that you can see, right? And I have drawn for a yearly and a daily chart. So this is the trend that we see, right? So if I draw a quick trend line, right, from like November last year, as you can see, it's a clear trend that market is maintaining, right? And the interesting part that I wanted to highlight here, as you can see, right, since October was the last where we saw the dip, and then since November the market is kind of following this trend. So whatever dip was there, it was bought back quickly within like 2 to 3 days every time. So every time there's a small dip, right, like say here it dipped and then it was bought, it was dipped, then it was bought back again, it dipped again, it bought back. So this trend is kind of keep going on. So far it is kind of honoring that trend, and if that continues, we are in a bullish trend, and until this reverses, we should be in a good place to do our cash secured put that I'm gonna discuss next, right? So because the market environment that you actually need to play a cash secured put strategy is actually a bullish trend. As long as it is kind of in a bullish trend, that's a very perfect spot to play cash secured put. And by the way guys, if you're completely new to cash secured put strategy, then I would first suggest you to check out my other videos. I will put the link down in the description, because that is gonna give you the kind of basic idea, because I will not discuss in too detail of the pros and cons or how you can actually execute that. I'm gonna mainly focus on how you can make $10,000 using this strategy, or what calculation that I did, right? So that's what the primary focus of this video. Okay, so this is the trend, right? So based on this, what I did was I kind of created a sheet, right? It's an Excel sheet, and I did two cases about what it would take if you go kind of a safer route, which is like around 0.25 delta, and then there's an aggressive route which is a 0.50 delta, right? So we're going to discuss both of these cases, and the ETF that I'm gonna use to show this strategy is going to be TQQ, right? So this is the one that I am going to use for today. So this is a kind of tracks the overall Nasdaq 100. If you don't know, this is a leveraged stock, and I have a separate video on because this has an inherent risk, but premiums are really high on this. So there's pros and cons in both ways of using TQQ for your strategy, but this I would not recommend to hold for long term, but in a short term it's a very good kind of a ETF that you can make use of to make good premium, selling the premium and collecting the premium, right? So for that, this is a good short-term ETF that you can make use of. So this is what I'm gonna use and then draw in the sheet on how much capital you would need to make that $10,000. Okay, so let's go back here, right? So first case, right, 0.25 delta. So let's see. So in Robinhood, to execute cash secured put, it's pretty straightforward. You click on this trade options, and then you have to select sell and then put, and then you select the expiry. So we are gonna weekly, right? So that's our goal, because to make $10,000, I'm gonna divide it by if you come here, right? So let's say we are gonna make I'm just gonna open calculator, and if you see $10,000, if you have to make yearly, right, you're gonna divide that by week, which is a 52 weeks, right? So you make you have to make close to like $200 a week to achieve that goal. So let's see if this fits in that. So we are gonna do week, which is March 15th, and then this is a safer route. So let's see where the delta would be on this, right? So this is, I believe, would be closer to 25 delta, right? Yeah, so 58. So 73 is the premium that we are getting. So 73 is the premium, 58 strike price is right. And then so yeah, so this is pretty much you're getting if you just do one contract of this, right? So to make $10,000, I believe you have to go like 3 contracts. So if you do 3 contracts, then you're gonna make $11,000, right? So this is what you would need, this much capital you would need, around $17,000 to achieve that goal, right? So now let's switch to this case 2, which is the 50 delta, right? 50 delta is almost if you look here, right, 50 delta is almost close to like at the money, right? So 61, yeah. So if you look at, right, this is the delta that you would have. So 61, and we are collecting 180 roughly, right? So I'm collecting 180 into one contract, strike price 61, which is correct, and then we are gonna make close to 10,000, right? So this is one strategy that you can do. Or the other one is you can maybe combine both, right? So you can do one of these, which is the aggressive side, and then you can do one of this one, right, which is the 0.25 delta. So both combining this, that also kind of gives you more than 10,000, right? So this is one more kind of, you can mix both of them, keep one at a different strike price and then keep one at a higher strike price. This is also a lot of people make use of, so that you are kind of balanced. Even if you have to kind of take buy-in, or maybe you are getting assigned on these shares, you gets averaged out, right? Your average cost of getting into the TQQ would be lower than if you simply go like say 2 contract of this, right? Then you're forced to buy TQQ at 61. But if you do a combination of this, then you kind of averaging out, right? So you that's a good strategy to kind of a mix. So yeah guys, this is what the main topic that I wanted to discuss, and you can make use of this strategy to make a good income. And as long as I explained, as long as that trend is maintained in the market, you should be good. But you have to keep a watch for this trend to continue. If you see the trend is reversing, then you can decide of getting out of that strategy that we discussed, right? So you have to always keep a watch for how the trend is going. Otherwise this is a wonderful strategy to keep making that good income and achieving that goal. So that was it guys for this video, and I hope you liked it. Do subscribe guys if you have not subscribed yet. I make a lot of videos in options, and I'm gonna make a whiteboard series as well. If you are completely new to the options, then please do subscribe, because I'm going to make a series of beginner friendly videos, and I'm sure you're gonna benefit out of that. I will talk to you in my next video guys. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.